Hello students, in this video uh, I am going to discuss NCERT problem question number 5. In this question is Kartar sold goods to Bhagwan for rupees 30,000 on 15th January 2019 and draw 3 bills for 1 month, 2 months and 3 months respectively. First bill retained by the Kartar till the maturity, second bill induced to Ratna, and third bill is discounted with the bank 6% per annum. Pass the Janta entry in the books of Kartar as well as Bhagwan. In the question is Kartar sold goods for rupees 30,000 on 15th January. So on 15th January, Kartar sold goods to Bhagwan. So Bhagwan debited to sales, being goods sold rupees 30,000. The second journal entry on 15th here is acceptance of 3 bills on 15th January. So bills receivable account debit, collectibility 30,000 to Bhagwan, being bills drawn and accepted of rupees 30,000. 3 bills are there. So 30,000 here is 10,000 into 3. The first bill is retained by the drawer till the due date, Kartar. Second bill is induced to Ratna on 15th January. So 15th January, first bill retained by the drawer till the due date. Second bill is induced to Ratna. So Ratna is the receiver. So Ratna debited 2 bills receivable of rupees 10,000. One bill is, so it is 10,000. So being bills induced. So third entry is on 15th January, Ratna debit to bill receivable account. The third bill is discounted from the bank with 6% per annum, and this bill is for 3 months. So bank account debited, bill discounting here is bank account debited, discount account debited to bills receivable account, being bills discounted. Amount is 10,000. The bill is, here is 6% for 3 months. Discount is coming here is 150. So 9,850 is the net amount recovered from the bankers. 150 is coming here is 6% of 10,000 for 3 months. And on the due date of the first bill is on 18th February. 18th February, after 1 month, is first bill is honored by the Bhagwan here is. So cash or bank account debited to bills receivable account, being first bill is honored, is made. The amount is 10,000. So these entries is passing here in the books of Kartar The third entry here is bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account discounted from the bank. It is 150 is coming is 6% of 10,000 for 3 months. And first bill it is 18th February. This bill is honored by the Bhagwan, and second and third bill is received. Second and third bill will be honored by the Bhagwan to get the money. Yes. So in the books of Bhagwan, on 15th January, Bhagwan purchased goods from Kartar. So purchases account debit to Kartar, being goods purchase of rupees 30,000 and accept 3 bills. So say 3 bills accept here is for 10,000 is on 15th January. So Kartar debited to bills receivable payable. So being bills accepted. On 15th, after here is the 3 bills he has to pay here is. So 2 bills, 1 bill for purchase and second bill for the acceptance of the bill. And after 3 months, 1 month, second month and third month, he has to make the payment of all these 3 bills. So first bill is ordered on 18th February. So bills payable account debit to cash. So being first bill made, amount of rupees 10,000. In this here is also 30,000. Kartar account debit to bills payable 30,000, and the last year is on 18th. First bill is honored on the 18th February. After 1 month is 10,000. On 18th March, the second bill is matured and he is paid. So second bill is honored on 18th March. Again the same entries, bills payable account debit to cash, being second bill made. Amount is 10,000. On 18th, next is third bill is 18th April. Same interest, bills payable account debit to cash. For the third bill it is 10,000. So being third bill made. So in this way, very simple question is without starting another of the bit. So I think this question answer is very simple. I think you have understood this one. Thank you.